The Juliana versus United States plaintiffs say they are not done yet. In a follow-up after Tuesday's report detailing the U.S. Supreme Court rejecting a final review to appeal its dismissal, we're hearing from one of the local lawyers who filed the lawsuit. Reporter Erin Ariano shows us the Eugene-based climate movement is not giving up.
When you have rights at stake, like the right to life and the right to liberty, government needs to be held to account for supporting an industry that's dangerous for humanity.
Julia Olson is the lead attorney for Juliana versus United States. She worked to represent the 21 young plaintiffs who filed that historic lawsuit here in Eugene back in 2015 against the federal government, alleging it violated Fifth Amendment rights by causing climate change due to its ties to the fossil fuel industry. But 10 years after it was filed, the U.S. Supreme Court just rejected a final review to appeal a decision that killed the lawsuit. Olson says when the ruling came down on Monday, the plaintiffs gathered on Zoom to discuss.
It was a heavy moment for the plaintiffs. When they started, they were between the ages of 8 and 19. And so it's been quite a journey. For some of them, it's been more than half their lives.
She says they never had their day in court to present the evidence due to the relentless legal pushes from the federal government.
They fought this case harder than any case in history, in U.S. history. And there's one reason for that, and that is they knew we had the evidence to put on a trial and win. And they didn't want that evidence to come to the light of day.
In a statement issued by the Department of Justice, the Assistant Attorney General defended the federal government, saying that it does the best it can to enforce environmental laws. He also went on to call the Juliana case a distraction.
It's a big lie, what the Department of Justice and what EPA are saying. You cannot protect the quality of our air that we breathe or the purity of our water or the health of our forests here in Oregon, and all of the things that we rely upon for agriculture and recreation and our fisheries and all of these places that are so dear to people and essential to life if we keep burning fossil fuels.
Olson says the court system rejected the suit on jurisdictional grounds, not on the content of the allegations. That said, after a 10-year landmark court battle, the team plans on bringing back the fight.
We are preparing a new case right now against the federal government, and we're still going to continue working with the Juliana plaintiffs as long as they want to seek justice.
Reporting in Eugene, I'm Erin Ariano.